With being back on the road all day, I just could not find time to take my car down to the service center for a long due service. Luckily, on a friend's recommendation, I found this great car service app called Pitstop, wherein they inspect and service the car at your home. I'm so glad the car is serviced and I didn't even have to step out of my house. This was so smooth and hassle-free. They took less than 90 minutes for my car's complete 124-point inspection and servicing. And I could utilize that time by rehearsing. I would definitely recommend you to try Pit Stop at Home Complete Car Service.